Welcome back. You're watching Markets at Noon, and it's time to talk about Aequs that has done an MOU with the Tamil Nadu government on their aerospace ramp-up program. Let's get more details. We are joined by Aravind Melligeri, Executive Chairman and CEO Aequs. Hi, afternoon, Mr. Melligeri. And, let's just talk about the Q3 results and margin guidance first over here. And considering there's this new project and the MOU also coming in, just wanted to know what could be the margin trajectory.
Yeah, this project in Tamil Nadu is a long-term, over a 10-year investment, and it's bringing a new capability which we are always committed to expand into engine manufacturing. It is obviously the engines are in a higher margin business, but it is focused on bringing in more capability and also the revenue growth over the next 10-year period. And this has already been, engine capability exists at Aequs, more in France than in India. And this project is to bring in more India and build more capabilities.
Okay, good afternoon, Mr. Melligeri. Talk to us about the quantum of funding required. The MOU outlines an investment of up to 1,900 crore rupees over 10 years. What is the year-wise capital expenditure, if you could share with us, let's say for the first 3 years, and how are you looking at funding it?
I mean, this project is going to get off only in the next year because of the construction and everything which is going to happen. So over the next 3 years, if you really look at it, our investment there will be a few hundred crore to 300 crore. It will be that range. And then we have averaged it over 100, 120 to 200 crore level over the next 10-year period. That's what it is. It's about 1,900 crore. And our partners also would be looking to expand in that and set up a part of the ecosystem, surface treatments and other capabilities that will be doing.
Right. Also, when does management expect the first commercial shipments of engines and landing gear components to commence from the site?
Yeah, we expect it to be in FY28. It will start somewhere either towards the end of Q4 of 27, early 28. So that's the plan right now. And we feel comfortable with the timelines for the committed to our customers.
Okay, and Mr. Melligeri, talk to us under this MOU, any specific export or production linked thresholds that you are looking to hit to try and unlock the maximum benefits under this Tamil Nadu industrial policy?
It has been a very proactive discussion with both our team and the government, and they have put together a very good package for us, we believe, and the best of both the government and us to be there, able to industrialize this. As you know, engine is a very long-term, the cycle, developing and capability building. It's going to be one of its kind, unique ecosystem that's going to be built all the way from material processing to a fully finished product, along including the testing on the component level, which could be potentially taken into the global market for assemblies and also within the Indian market for any of the assembly requirements of engine, which are going to be coming AMCA engines. So that's what the idea is. And for that, I think, we've gotten good support, both from the state and also we expect certain support from the center to make sure that it's going to be a successful project for the country. It's more than any particular current region or a state or anything. It is overall our contribution to the country to bring in this capability.
Right. Mr. Melligeri, the company also partnered recently with Aequs Defence for UAV manufacturing. Just wanted to understand, will the new Tamil Nadu cluster also serve as a hub for these defence equipments?
I know that decision has not happened, and it is both a special economic zone and SEZ and a DTA capability exists in that location. So I kept that flexibility to be able to do wherever it best fits the capability. So I think for that perspective, it's an aerospace defense zone with 125 vehicles that is being developed by our Aequs Infra. But overall, it's a aerospace hub it's going to be. And we're not decided on our UAV project. It's going to be based right now.
Okay, Mr. Melligeri, talk to us about your capacity utilization. That level as of now is at 64%. What kind of jump are we expecting to see on that number once this new manufacturing site is operational?
Look, we always shoot towards 75 commercialization whenever we add capacity. And that's a goal. It's all India-based capacity utilization to be 75%. And we will always continue to make sure that what we invest is utilized to that level. And sometime it may take a couple of quarters to get there, but generally that's how we look at it. You add continuous capacities in existing facilities also with the same intent.
All right, lastly, when can we expect the incremental top line and bottom line contributions from this new facility now?
We have a long-term, guided commitment of 20% EBITDA with ROC in our investments, and our revenues is somewhere around 1.5 level. We should be able to hit up to 2 levels sometimes within the aerospace engine side of it. Engine is much more challenging capital. So we should be able to get starting that as I laid out the capital as it goes in, and we'll have corresponding revenues coming within the year time frame.
Okay, on that note, Mr. Melligeri, thanks so much for taking the time out to speak with us. And of course, all eyes are going to be on how this MOU pans out for you in terms of your operations and financials too. Thanks once again. On that note, viewers, we're completely timed out on this edition of Markets at Noon. Thanks so much for tuning in. But stay tuned to ET Now, because All About Your Company is going to be putting the spotlight on Galaxy surfactants today. It's going to be an interesting chat, so watch out for that and stay tuned.